In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up dynamic remarketing for Google Ads in e-commerce, a highly effective tool for boosting your online sales. Setting up dynamic remarketing allows you to reconnect with potential customers who have previously interacted with your website. This in turn helps in reminding them of products they're interested in, ultimately increasing the chances of a sale. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This platform enables you to reach a wider audience and effectively engage with potential customers who matter most to your business. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to use your Google account credentials to log in, so make sure you have them handy. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home dashboard. This is where the magic of online advertising begins. From here, direct your attention to the top of the page and locate the Tools option in the navigation menu. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu with various options designed to manage and optimize your advertising efforts. Within this drop-down, find and select the Data Manager. The Data Manager is a crucial tool in setting up dynamic remarketing because it allows you to handle the data critical to your campaigns. Here you can manage everything from customer lists to product data, ensuring that the right ads are shown to the right people. Next, identify the Products option within the Data Manager. Click on Products to access the Product Data Management section. This is where you'll manage inventory information essential for dynamic remarketing. Having accurate and comprehensive product data ensures that the ads Google will generate for you are both relevant and appealing to your target audience. Once inside the products page, the next step is to connect your product catalog to the Google Ads platform. This involves linking your store's inventory with your ads account, so Google can dynamically generate product-specific ads for potential customers. To do so, simply click on Connect a Product. Follow any additional steps prompted by the platform to complete this connection successfully. By following these steps, you've efficiently set up dynamic remarketing for your e-commerce site using Google Ads. With this setup, you'll be able to provide potential customers with tailored ads that feature the exact products they've shown interest in. Remember, the goal of dynamic remarketing is to personalize the shopping experience, making it more likely for visitors to come back and complete their purchase. Implement these steps and watch as your online engagement and sales get a substantial boost. Happy advertising!